Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. As the nation readies for its general election today, JLP leader Dr. Andrew Holness says his government will double the national minimum wage from $16,000 to $32,000 on a phased basis. President of the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce, Catherine Silvera, says the cost of labor remains one of the biggest costs for manufacturers, a sector that currently employs nearly 100,000 workers. She warns that a 100% increase in the minimum wage would negatively affect their operations, while asserting that manufacturers are the backbone of the Jamaican economy. According to Ms. Silvera, companies would be forced to raise prices, further driving up the cost of living. She adds that without strategies to boost productivity, the move intended to help workers could backfire, ultimately hurting both businesses and employees. The Bustamante Industrial Trade Union BITU told RJR News that it commends the Jamaica Labour Party for its indication that it will commit to a system of increasing the national minimum wage over the next 5 years if it secures a third term in office. Meanwhile, General Secretary of the Union of Clerical, Administrative and Supervisory Employees, UK's John Levy, told RJR News that he is not opposed to a gradual increase in the minimum national wage, but is calling for consultation to avoid a negative impact on inflation. President of the Jamaica Employers Federation, Wayne Chen, said the JLP's proposal for the national minimum wage should not have come as a surprise, as there has been a consistent pattern of increase over the last few years. But he reiterated that the movement has to be tied to productivity. For the trading period ending September 2, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited, US dollar shares with 7,220,966 units traded, representing 33.30% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited Jamaican dollar shares with 3,595,066 units traded, representing 16.58% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 2,544,234 units traded, representing 11.73% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 2, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $61.74 million purchased and US $57.75 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.78 per dollar, selling the US at $161.02 and buying the US at $159.24. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 52 cents per transaction, with selling at $116.48 and buying at $115.96. The British pound yielded Forex traders $10.33 in profits, with selling at $191.10 and buying at $180.77. For our credit report tip of the day, two of the most damaging money myths are the belief that debt disappears if you ignore it, and that banks are responsible for fixing your credit report. Neither is true, and both can quietly sabotage your financial future. Debt grows when left unattended, and credit errors remain until you step in to correct them. But here's the good news. Once you take ownership of your credit, you gain the power to lower borrowing costs, open doors to funding, and move closer to your biggest life goals, whether that's buying a home, starting a business, or building lasting wealth for your family. Now, when you're building something from nothing as a professional woman over the age of 45, wealth doesn't happen by accident. It's built through consistency and leadership. By committing to a weekly CEO hour, you step into the role of financial leader in your own life. In just one focused hour, you can organize your cash flow, spot opportunities to grow income, and capture the wins that fuel long-term success. So here's some ideas. Research tools or apps to automate financial tracking. Identify creative ways to reduce overhead costs, and explore ways to leverage credit or financing for business growth. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.